Reduced to burning wreckage, that is the fate of Russia's Tor M2 air defense system, struck with precision by Ukrainian drones and artillery. Once hailed as a shield against aerial threats, the Tor M2 now lies shattered, its protective role erased in seconds. Since the invasion began nearly 4 years ago, Russia's losses in advanced weaponry have mounted to levels unseen in modern warfare. Systems designed to safeguard frontline positions are proving vulnerable, exposing Moscow's forces to relentless strikes. And this latest destruction of the Tor M2 stands as undeniable proof Ukraine's forces are rewriting the balance of power in the skies. On March 12, 2026, reports from Defense Express confirmed that fighters of Ukraine's 414th Brigade destroyed a Russian Tor M2 air defense system as part of Kyiv's ongoing campaign to weaken Moscow's aerial defenses. According to footage released by Ukraine's unmanned systems forces, the brigade detected and struck the Tor M2 in the Donetsk region. This attack marks yet another episode in Ukraine's relentless effort to dismantle Russia's air defense assets near the front line. The released video captures the moment Ukrainian drone units located and targeted the system. While details of the strike method remain undisclosed, the operation reflects Ukraine's continued emphasis on neutralizing air defense nodes before deploying additional strike platforms. The Tor M2 is a modern short-range air defense system designed to track and engage multiple aerial targets simultaneously. Equipped with advanced radar and capable of intercepting drones, missiles, and aircraft, it plays a central role in Russia's layered defense strategy. These systems are deployed to protect troops and critical facilities behind the front line, making them a vital component of Moscow's military posture. With an estimated cost of $27 million per unit, every destroyed Tor M2 represents not only a tactical setback, but also a significant financial loss for Russia's armed forces. Because of these capabilities, the Tor M2 has been heavily relied upon to counter Ukraine's growing drone fleet and precision strike assets. Its presence complicates reconnaissance and attack missions, especially in sectors where Russian forces depend on dense air defense coverage. Yet repeated Ukrainian strikes have shown that even such advanced systems are vulnerable. Each destroyed Tor M2 weakens Russia's defensive shield and underscores how modern drone warfare can neutralize expensive, high-tech equipment with relatively low-cost tactics. The destruction of the Tor M2 is not just another battlefield incident, it exposes a critical weakness in Russia's air defense network. The Tor M2 was designed to intercept drones, cruise missiles, and low-flying aircraft, and for years it was promoted as a reliable shield for frontline units. Yet Ukraine's evolving tactics have revealed its limits. Small, fast, and precise drones are able to bypass detection, striking targets that were supposed to be protected. This failure undermines Moscow's confidence in its own technology and shows that even advanced systems can be neutralized with persistence and precision. The vulnerability extends beyond the Tor M2. Other Russian platforms, including the Buk and the S-300, have suffered repeated losses under similar conditions. Each destroyed system reduces Russia's ability to defend its troops and equipment, leaving positions exposed to artillery, HIMARS, and further drone attacks. What was once considered a cornerstone of Russian military strength is now being dismantled piece by piece. Every successful Ukrainian strike demonstrates that traditional defenses are no longer enough against modern drone warfare, and the battlefield is shifting decisively in Ukraine's favor. Since the start of the Russia-Ukraine war, unmanned systems have transformed from support tools into central elements of combat. Drones now operate across land, air, and sea, providing surveillance, precision strikes, and even logistical support. While they have not yet delivered a decisive breakthrough that ends the war, they have become vital to Ukraine's survival. By reducing the need for direct exposure of soldiers on the front line, drones act as a force multiplier, replacing traditional capabilities such as artillery and reshaping the rhythm of battle. Over time, Ukraine's drone operators have refined their tactics, turning small reconnaissance flights into precision missions capable of destroying armored vehicles, artillery, and advanced air defense systems like the Tor M2. These platforms are inexpensive compared to conventional weapons, yet their impact is disproportionate. Each successful strike erodes Russia's technological advantage and forces its troops to adapt under constant pressure. The evolution of Ukraine's drone warfare demonstrates that innovation and persistence can rewrite the rules of modern conflict, proving that even a smaller force can challenge a military once considered among the strongest in the world. Beyond the immediate battlefield, the fall of Russia's Tor M2 reflects a deeper transformation in modern warfare. Each loss of advanced air defense equipment weakens Moscow's ability to protect its forces, but it also erodes the image of Russia as a global military power. For decades, systems like the Tor M2 were showcased as proof of technological superiority. Now, their repeated failures reveal a different reality. Traditional defenses are struggling against the relentless innovation of Ukraine's drone warfare. Ukraine's success demonstrates how smaller nations can leverage technology to challenge larger adversaries, reshaping the balance of power in ways once thought impossible. Every destroyed system is not only wreckage on the ground, but also a warning to global defense communities that the future of conflict will be defined by unmanned systems and asymmetric tactics. For Ukraine, these victories strengthen national resilience and inspire continued resistance. For Russia, they mark a steady decline in credibility and capability. And for the world, the fall of the Tor M2 stands as undeniable proof that the rules of war are changing, and that innovation now outweighs sheer numbers in determining the outcome of modern conflict. As the war grinds into its fourth year, the wreckage of Russia's Tor M2 stands as more than a battlefield loss. It is a symbol of a changing era in warfare. Once promoted as a shield against drones and missiles, the system now lies in ruins, proof that persistence and innovation can overcome even the most advanced defenses. For Ukraine, each strike is not only a tactical success, but also a declaration of resilience, showing the world that determination and technology can rewrite the rules of conflict. And for Russia, every destroyed system erodes both credibility and capability, leaving its forces exposed and its reputation diminished. The fall of the Tor M2 reminds us all that in modern war, strength is no longer measured only in numbers or hardware, but in the ability to adapt, innovate, and endure.